I was scared. I had feared, doubted, again. But one thing I never sort of doubted about is I believe somebody, if not us, if not me, somebody will win. Somebody will be there. But the thing is that I think it's the early stage of the internet, 1999. Everybody has a fair chance. There's no expert at that time. Even to today, there's no expert of tomorrow. There's only expert of yesterday. Nobody will say, well, then tomorrow will be like this. So this is what I think. We don't have a system to support that how I can overcome my doubts and fears. But I tried to be transparent to my team. And actually I did everything. I worried. Everything I'm confident. I worried. I'm not sure. I want to get the team input inside. So they know that if they know I'm hiding something worried, they get even more worried, right? So I tell this is what I worry. But of course, when I go home, I think more. I experience more. And so at your age, our age, early days, everything when you want to do something, for sure if you create value, there is opportunity. But the thing you worried me, or probably will worry you is somebody will do better, or quicker, or more complicated than you are, or much sophisticated than you are. You probably lose the chance. So when you do business, my rule is never be afraid, never worry about a competition, never worry about the pressures. If you worry about the pressure, you will worry about the competition. If you worry about this, don't be a businessman. And today, the good thing is the whole world worries. Everywhere. People worry about data, people worry about privacy, people worry about security, people worry about anything. That normally that means great opportunity comes. Because you can never stop this. The internet time is coming, mobile time is coming, big data is coming. You cannot stop, not worry with, the only thing is you embrace, you change yourself instead of do it. And is there any system? No, if you have a system, you never worry. Nobody has a system. Ask your president, he doesn't have a system. He worries, right? If you're a human being, you worry, you doubt. But the only difference when you doubt, you fix the problem, you change yourself, you fight again tomorrow. Today, the 18 founders of Alibaba, a lot of people think they are legendaries. Wow, you're Alibaba founders, you must be super good at it. Honestly, most of us cannot find jobs early days. We're not that smart. None of us graduate from a great university. But the thing is that we are ready to learn. We believe in the future. If we work together, if we will learn, if we improve, we'll be there. I told them for the first year, everybody forget about that you will be a VP, vice president, right? You will always be a tiny manager in your life. Because if we're successful, people we hire, they will be smarter than us. If we only hire people who are stupid than us, then we'll be in trouble, right? So when we hire people who are smarter than us, the company will grow, and you will be happy because this is the mission that we have. So I would say there's no best people in the world that is ready for you. The best people is always you find the right people, working together, training him, developing him, and he training you, then you have a chance to build a team.